Talking Tom is one of the greatest app on the Play Store. Most of the users have played a lot with this app, but no one knows how to record video with the Talking Tom. Hello guys, welcome to Cool Tech Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to record videos with the Talking Tom for the YouTube. I give 4 app links on my description. Download from there. So these are the 4 applications. So let's open any one of this app. We have one camera icon on the top left side corner. By this we can record an entire screen. After the recording, save that video on your gallery. See, these are the options. You wanna play, just click on the play button. Like this, you can record videos with Talking Tom for the YouTube. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.